Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by merging your bracketed RAWs, because HDR needs the full tonal range, not just a single photo. Open Photoshop, go to File Automate Merge to HDR Pro, and add your 3:7 exposures. Make sure they are in consistent order. Once added, choose 32-bit to preserve highlight and shadow data and enable Remove Ghosts if anything moved. You're doing this now to keep maximum latitude for tone mapping later, so the next edits have real data to work with. Once merged, you must map tones for display. This is where control matters. In the HDR dialog, adjust exposure and gamma to bring midtones into view before converting to 16 or 8-bit. Then run Camera Raw Filter to shape highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks, tweak texture and clarity for micro contrast. Make sure to apply local corrections. Create layers, paint masks, and use dodge/burn or curve adjustments to fix specific areas. These steps let you preserve dynamic range while tailoring local contrast and color accurately. Finish by flattening smart workflow choices into a polished file. Convert to Smart Object earlier for non-destructive edits, then apply selective sharpening and noise reduction as needed. Inspect edges for halos or flat, punchless areas. If you see halos, reduce local clarity or redo the local mask, and if flatness persists, add subtle S-curve contrast or frequency separation. If colors look off, return to Camera Raw for white balance and HSL tweaks. That troubleshooting step solves most HDR artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.